don't know why I'm holding myself back. I'm fighting inside. Oh, I don't Some days, know why. Days I'm fighting inside. I'm holding Some days, days What's up, good people? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night from whichever side of the globe you are watching me from, or depending on what time that you are watching me. Feel so much welcomed into this channel, and welcome in today's video where I'll be taking you through my random morning. Yeah, I'm just from the market, and I'll just be showing you some few things that I got from the market. Yeah, I just restocked on some few items that were missing in the house. Yeah, I'll just show you what I got, how I cleaned them, how I packed them for storage. Yeah, and I hope you get to enjoy this video. And without talking too much, let's get to hear the word of today. Yes, here we do read a Bible verse at the beginning of every video, so let's do it. And we get our Bible verse from Isaiah 60 verse 22. And I read, "When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen." Yeah, that's the word of today. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, my name is Mercy. I do homemaking videos, and I'm starting this video on Wednesday morning. It's like few minutes since I came back in the house from taking my son to school, and I passed to the market because I needed to get some few things. And first I want to arrange these utensils. I cleaned them yesterday at night. Yeah, so I will just arrange them and I'll show you what I got from the market. And I hope you enjoy watching this video to the end. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing, like this video, and also leave me a sweet comment down there, and that way you will have done justice to this channel. Yeah, so without talking too much, let's get into the video, and I hope you enjoy to the end.
Method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunder. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want. Follow the light if you're not sure. Listen to your gut. The right path will come when the time is right. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You will try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunder. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want.
And for today's restock, I needed from the market is the fresh groceries. And I usually do the restock once in a week or once in 2 weeks. And I also got these spices here. I get my spices from a certain guy who measures them according to the quantity you want or according to your pocket. And I got this at 50 bob each. That is turmeric, paprika, cinnamon, and curry powder. And they are usually so good, so good. Yeah, I also got this dania here, or coriander, at 50 bob. Yeah, all that for 50 bob. Also these sweet bananas. By the way, this is how, when I'm buying bananas, I check the ile sulabaya, because that's how I confirm they are organically ripened. Is that even the correct English? Yeah, to me it just means that they are organically ripened, and I like it that way. I also restocked on eggs, but then I don't buy a lot of eggs in my house because personally I don't like eggs. I can even take a whole year kama sijakula mayai. My husband also don't take these broiler eggs, and my son do not take fried eggs. He only takes boiled, and maybe once in a week or 3 times, because they also eat boiled egg at school twice a week, so I don't give him a lot here at home. Also got these avocados, 20 bob each. I got 4 these. Yeah, they are so good, as you can see that. Got these tomatoes, they are so fresh, so firm. Yeah, it was going for 5 bob, and that was so fair according to me, because the size is so big, they are so fresh and also so firm, and they'll of course take me for a while. Yeah, even without being refrigerated, yeah, they'll still be okay without going bad, because they are so firm, as you can see. And by the way, I thank God, because nowadays you can go to the market and just buy things at a very fair price, because I remember there are times when you could not even find a tomato costing 10 bob. I think we are buying 3 for 50 bob. So considering I got this big size here at 5 bob each, that was so fair according to me. And also got those capsicums, green capsicums at 10 bob each. The ginger at 40 bob. Yeah, it was going for 40 bob, that cubic piece. I got some garlic at 15 bob each, and I got 6 for 90 bob. And according to me, that was so fair, because I remember there were times that we used to buy garlic at 25 bob, and maybe there are some people who are buying at that price, but at least where we live, the prices are a bit fair. But this is because I usually go to the market where the people who sell to us from the vibadas, where they get the things. Yeah, very early in the morning after dropping Nilan to school. I don't come back in the house immediately when I'm going to the market. I just drop him and go to the market straight. And that's why you'll find, yeah, quality things at a very fair price. Also, that cabbage, I got it at that bob. That was so fair. And here comes the gold, the current gold in Kenya. Hey, onions. I got these onions at 400. And I'm telling you, I can't cook more than one, because where the prices of onions in the market, I'm not even talking about it, because it's so high. Also, I got some oranges here, and I got them at 3 for 20 bob, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 3 was going for 20 bob. Yeah, I mixed some oranges and some pixies, and it was so sweet. Yeah, some carrot and some butternut over here. Yeah, I got these carrots at 5 bob each. Butternut were going for 30 bob each, and I got 3. Also, I got this melon here at 250. Yeah, and it was a good deal, 250 for all this big melon, and it was so sweet and so juicy. Some lemons, they were going for 3 for 10 bob. Yeah, it was also a deal. And for lemons, I don't go for the fresh ones. I like these ones that they have stayed for a while, because they are so watery and it is so easy to squeeze the water from them. Yeah, also I got these sweet potatoes at 100 bob. Yeah, and that is all about what I got from the market today. Yeah, now let us clean everything, organize them, and also, yeah, store what I have to store in the fridge and what I have to store in other places. Yeah.
All for you. All for you. All for you. All for you. It's been a long time I've been waiting for you. I got my feelings up and it's just for you. I just need a little bit of time to breathe in and out. I just need a little bit of time to ease up my mind. All for you. Situation got me running like I'm losing.
And for the ones that seems like they can go bad easily, or the ones with the dents, yeah, they're the one that I'm putting aside so that I can start with them.
My mind, all for you. I feel with every little step I take I'm crossing your line. All for you. I'm all for you, all for you. Yeah, I'm all for you, all for you.
spread a kitchen cloth or a serviette there just to prevent my tomatoes from consuming the moisture, therefore preventing them from going bad, and that way they will stay for a very long time, very fresh and so firm. Yeah, that's a hack. And in the process of cleaning everything, I got a call from a client, and yeah, that was end of me cleaning and packing everything. You know, the customer is always late, and I proceeded with the storing and packing and everything the following day, and that's why you can see one of the capsicum is half because I already cooked the other half yesterday. Yeah, and I also boiled some cereals behind the cameras, and I'm going to store everything. Yeah, just pack and store with you.
Like I'm losing my mind. All for you. I feel with every little step I take, I'm crossing your line. All for you. I'm all for you, all for you. Yeah, I'm all for you, all for you.
Got drunk off your life, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't, I'm the prey. But this time I won't collapse like I did yesterday. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give it this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you're bad, but you're bad it for me. I can't give it, I can't give it. I've already run with the wolves. Far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side, I don't know. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today.
And I really don't know what I was thinking while buying these Ziploc bags, because this is not the size I wanted. I wanted the smaller size, but when I got there, I just went there, picked. I was on a hurry, picked and just paid and left the supermarket. And later, that's when I realized that I took the wrong size. It's not the size that I wanted, but it's just okay. As long as it will serve the purpose, I'm just okay with that, because yeah.
I'm stronger today. Tú tienes la pócima para enloquecerme, pero voy a draw the line. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sé que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one que yo ya sé que de ti. I got to stay, we got to stay away. No, 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 baby, no, 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 no setbacks. No, 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 baby, no, 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 this time. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give in, I can't give in, I won't give in this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you bad, but you bad it for me. I can't give in, I can't give in. I've already run with the wolves. Far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side of the moon. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today.
Sometimes you feel weak. Feel you carry inside wakes you up. The overplaying pattern of memory hides your true face. Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You'll try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunder. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want. Follow the light if you're not sure. Listen to your gut.
And I arrange them according to which one will come out first. Yes, depending with our weekly meal plan. As you can see, my freezer is so tiny, so tiny. So I only put my cereals because cooking the cereals, it's a lot of work. And for our meat, I just buy them fresh from the butchery whenever we are having meat, because there is no space for them, and it's easier buy the meat from the butchery the same day you want to cook it than starting to boil the cereals the same day that you want to have them. Yeah.
Take your own method, looking for the one who's trying to be perfect, yeah. You will try to match it, don't be sad if you don't make it. You hope for wonders, living life means making blunders. It can make you shatter, you will try to fight the thunder. Trust me no matter what happens, because I will stay by your side in your heart. Whatever happens, remember that you can do anything you want. You can do anything you want.
And for my dania, whenever I wash them, I wrap them with a wet cloth, and that's how I store them, and they will stay for a very long time without going bad. And allow me to say a very big thank you for sticking around up to this far. I never take your support for granted. May God bless you. Thank you so much. And please make sure you give this video a very big thumbs up, and I hope you are enjoying so far as I enjoyed making this video for you guys. Yeah, comment, leave me a very good comment down there, like this video, and also share with your friends if possible. Yeah, so that YouTube can recommend my video to so many other people. Yeah, until my next video, it's a bye bye for now.